All right, we got another Sudoku. Today we're going with Tastes Like Human by Philip Newman. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, and we have German whispers. All right, let's try it out. So we know that 5s cannot be on German whispers, so this is a 5. Okay, so then we know that this is going to be 2, 3, 4, and then this is going to be 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. That cannot be a 7. But 6s can only connect to 1s, which means they would both. So if this was a 6, these would both have to be 1s. So neither of those can be 6s. And similarly, 4 can only connect to 9, so this cannot be a 4. All right. So if this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And then this is going to be 6, 7, so that's 8, 9. So this has to be a 9. This is going to be 6, 7, 9, and that's 6, 7. But again, 6 can only connect to 1, and then these see each other, so that cannot be a 6. This can be a 6 because that could see a 1, and then, yeah, that works. Then over here we have our... Okay, so this is going to be an 8, which that could be a 3, and then that could be a 9. That works. I'm okay with that. So this is going to be a 1, 3, 4. This is 6, 7, 8. This is going to be 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Again, cannot be 6s because they see each other. This cannot be a 4 because these would both have to be 9s. That's an 8, so this cannot be a 4. So now we have a 1, 2, 3 triple. Okay. So 9's there, so we know 9 is on this one. All right, I'm going to highlight these so that way I know when I get a digit that they are the same color. But I do not know the parity of them, so I'm not going to pencil mark too far in advance. All right, so if these are all three the same, these have to be high, because if these are both low, yeah, all right, so pink is high, so it can't be 8, can't be 6, 9, can't be 9. So that puts these as low. Cannot be a 4. That cannot be a 6. Cannot be a 6. That can be a 6. And these cannot be 4s. Because if this were 4, they would both be 9s. And that can't happen. Yeah, that works. So then these... No, I was going to say that's a 4, 5, but that's not true because this could be a 4. No, it can't, because if this is a 4, this would have to be a 9. So then this is a 4, 5 a pair, and that's a 5, so that's a 4. Okay, so I can remove that 4. So it becomes a 1, 3, which means this has to be an 8. This can be a 1, 3, so that's a 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oof. All right, and then similarly to these pinks, if this is going to be 3 highs, so that would only leave 1 to fill up 3 squares, so that can't be. So reds are now going to be low, and yellows are going to be high. And then I can clean up a little. 6, 4, 4, 6. So this 7, that's fine. This cannot be a 4. This cannot be a 6. That cannot be a 6. So we have 7, 8, 9, triple, 1, 2, 3, triple. So this is going to be a 4, 5. Which places the 5 down here. And then this is a 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be a 7, 8. Which places this as a 6, which can only see a 1. 1, 1. All right, so it forces that to be a 1 as well. So that can't be a 1. That's a 3, so it's a 2, 1. All right, I can move that 1. Remove this 2, move that 2. Okay, let's see. Do we have anything else that is jumping out? That's a 1, 3 pair, so then this is a 2. That's a 2, that's a 3. So this is going to be a 7, 8. All right, getting there. So then 3s, pencil mark in here. Pencil mark 2's here, but they can't be there because that's a 1, 2, 3 triple. So then the 2 is here, I think. Oh, yeah. All right, so we know, oh, okay, so 1 has to be here, which means these are low. Oh, of course, and that's a 7, 8. What am I doing? What am I doing? So this is 2, 3, C's 1, C's 2, 3, 4, so that's a 1. Can delete that. All right. So then this is a 2, and that could be 7, 8, which puts this as a 7, 8 as well. So then gives us a 6 here. Gives us a 1 there. 3, 2, 1. All right. Clean up a little bit. That's a 3, 4 pair, so that can no longer be a 4, so it's a 5, that's a 4. That can't be a 3 either, so the 3 is here. So that's a 2. 8, 2. Could that be a 7? Yes, it could, and it can be a 9 as well, but this is a 6. 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be a 4, and places a 9 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need a 5 and an 8 in this box. That's a 5. That's an 8. Over here we need a 1, 6. It's a 6. That's a 1. So this is a 1, and the 1s are done. Okay. So we need a 4, 5, 7, 9 in this. 4, 5. Okay. All right, so this is a 3, so this can no longer be a 7. It can still be an 8. This is a 2, that could be all of them. But if this is a 4, then these both have to be 9s. So this is a 3, that's a 4. So this is a 9. Yes. So this is now an 8, so that's a 7, so that's an 8. So that's a 7, so that's a 9, which puts a 7 here, and then this has to be a 2, that's a 3, 8, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this could be, this has to be a 9. So then this is a 7, so that's a 9 as well. Okay, then we need a 2 there, and then this places a 6 here. So we have 9 here, and then we have a 4, 5. So then this is also a 4, 5, so that's a 5, that's a 4. Then we need a 3, 7, 3, 6, 7, so this is going to be a 6. That's 3, 7 pair. Then we have 1, 2, 3. So we got 6s are here. We can do 4s here. 5, 6s. Those are 7s. 8's already done, 9's already done. So this is, okay. Goodness gracious. If this is a 4, 5, 7 triple, then this is now a 7. So that's a 3, 7. 7. 5, 4, 6. 5, 4, 5. Y 6, 3. Y 8 y última 4. Oh my goodness, that took a while. Usually not as bad as that at German Whispers, but today that was rough.